Hey everyone, welcome back to Hurricane Web. Today I am going to show you how to add a confetti celebration effect to your React Native app. This is perfect for success screens, achievements, or just adding a bit of joy to your app. We will be using a library called react-native-confetti-cannon. Let's build this step by step and see that confetti fly. So here I have opened a fresh React Native boilerplate project in VS Code, and it's already running on my Android emulator through Android Studio. So first of all, we need to install Confetti Cannon package. So we can go to Google and search React Native Confetti Cannon and hit enter. So we will get the package here. We need to copy npm install React Native Confetti Cannon. So copy it, and then I kill the terminal of my VS Code and then paste the command npm install react native confetti cannon and then hit enter. So sometimes we get error like this, so for fix it we can paste it again, and then we can add force and hit enter. So our confetti cannon package already installed, and if we go to package.json we can see react native confetti cannon. So now we'll start to build our confetti cannon effect, and for that we'll create a button in our app.jsx file inside. So first of all, we need to create a reference of confetti cannon which is called as confetti ref, and with confetti ref we will able to trigger our confetti cannon. So here we need to type const confetti ref equal use ref, which will come from React use ref, and then it will be null. After it we will create a handle phrase function. So whenever we'll type our handle phrase function, it will launch the confetti effect. And so we need to type const handle phrase equal first parenthesis and the function. So here we need to type if confetti ref dot current, then confetti ref dot current dot start, and our handle phrase function complete. After that we will build our confetti button. So we need to type view style equal styles dot container, and then here we'll type touchable opacity, then on phrase equal handle phrase, and then style equal styles dot button, and then we will close our tag, and inside it we'll create a text. So text style equal styles dot button text, and then we'll close the tag. And here we will use a celebration emoji icon. So we can go to our Google and search celebration emoji. So if we go there and we can copy it here and then paste it here, and with it I just add the text of celebrate for our button, and then for the confetti effect we will use confetti cannon, and then here we will type count equal 150, and then origin is x 200 and y is 0, and then auto start equal false, fade out equal true, and ref equal confetti ref, and then polish speed 3000, and explosion speed will be 400, and then we close the tag. So we need to import our confetti cannon, so let's import it. So import confetti cannon from react native confetti cannon, like this. So now let's complete the styles. So const styles equal style sheet, and it will come from React Native, so need to mention it here, style sheet. Okay, style sheet dot create, and then first bracket and second bracket. So here container is flex1, background color it will be white, so triple F, and then justify content it will be center, and then align items that also will be center. So our container style is complete. Let's start to styles our button. So button background color it will be a teal color, so we need to type #00 C2A8, and then padding vertical it will be 14, and padding horizontal it will be 28, and then border radius it will be 30, and elevation is 4. Shadow color it will be black, and then shadow opacity it will be 0.2. Shadow radius it will be 5, and then shadow offset it will be width 0, and height will be 2. Now our button also complete. Now we'll give our button text styles. So button text, here font size will be 18, color white, font weight 600. So our styles also complete. Now here we should type styles actually. Now if we save, Ctrl S, and then we need to run the project. So npm run Android. So here we can see that we get a error of property touchable opacity doesn't exist, because we need to call it. So it will come from React Native. Now then save it again, Ctrl S. So here we can see our celebrate button. So if we click on it, we can see our confetti effect. So when we will tap this button in our device, it will show the confetti effect like this. And then if you guys wish, you guys can increase or decrease the amount of count or fall speed and explosion speed, everything as you guys want to customize. So that's all for today. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you guys can comment it in the comment box. I will add the source code in the GitHub, and will add the GitHub link in the description below. Thank you everyone.
Islam is my deen.